Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we learned about Euclidean space, norm, inner product, dot product. All of you clear that concepts? Now, in today's lecture, we discuss about distance between two points in Rn. So, let x is equal to x1, x2 up to xn, y is equal to y1, y2 up to yn be the two points in Rn. Now, distance between two points x and y can be denoted by norm of x minus y, which is equal to, by definition of norm, square root of x1 minus y1 square plus x2 minus y2 square plus xn minus yn square. It is also denoted by dxy, that is distance between x and y. It is equal to norm of x minus y, and it can be written as square root of summation I running from 1 to n bracket xi minus yi square. It is same like the above, that is the definitions. Norm of x minus y is equal to this square root of x1 minus y1 square plus x2 minus y2 square and so on xn minus yn square, and norm of x minus y is equal to square root of this. Both are same. Consider one example. Here x is equal to 0.13, y is equal to points minus 1, 2 belongs to Rn. Here x contains two coordinates, y contains two coordinates. That means both x and y are points in R2. Okay. Now we calculate distance between x and y. So distance between x and y is equal to norm x minus y is equal to, by definition, square root of 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 3 minus 2 bracket square, that is subtraction of x coordinates plus subtractions of y coordinate bracket square. This gives you square root of 2 square plus 1, that is square root of y. So in this way we calculate distance between any two points x and y. All of you clear? Now next one is open ball in Rn. Open ball. It is new concept for you. Open ball. Let A is equal to A1, A2 up to An belongs to Rn, and R greater than 0 be any real number. Then open ball centered at A and radius R. That is, center of open ball is A and radius is R. It is denoted by BAR. Remember, the open ball can be written as BAR, where A is the center and R is radius, and it is defined as BAR is equal to, in bracket, x belongs to Rn such that norm of x minus A is less than R. That is, distance between the points x and A is less than its radius. Then these all points are in the open ball BAR. Okay, look at one example. Then you clear the idea about open ball. For n is equal to 2, that is, A is a point in R2. So A has the coordinate A1, A2. So R is radius and A is the center. So open ball centered at A contains the point all such xy belongs to R2 such that norm of xy minus A1, A2 is less than R. That is, the distance between these two points xy and A1, A2 must be less than R. That is, x minus A1 square plus y minus A2 square is less than R square. You get it? That is, the points including this open ball BAR is all such a point xy in R2 such that distance between xy and a1 a2 is less than radius. Okay, so in R2, open ball represents interior of circle centered at a1 a2 and radius r. So consider this diagram. This is circle with center a1 a2 and radius r. Okay, so this interior point of this circle, interior point means the points which is lies internal part of that circle. So all these points are less than r. Okay, so any point here, any point, the distance between this point and center must be less than r. The point between this point and center is less than r. Okay, but the point on the circle, the distance between this point and circle is equal to r. So this point is not lie in that open ball. So open ball contains only interior points in the circle. Consider correct? Get it? Okay. Now next one is open set. Let S be any subset of Rn. Then S is said to be an open set if every A belongs to S, that is every point in that set S, there exists R greater than 0, there exists radius R greater than 0 such that the open ball centered at A and radius R is subset of S. That is, for every point A in that set S, there exists radius R such that the open ball BAR is subset of S. Okay, an open ball is an open set. Every open ball is an open set. Now we consider one example. S is the set xy belongs to R2, x greater than 0. Check the condition of the set again. S is equal to, or S is the set contains all the points xy belongs to R2 such that x greater than 0. X coordinate is greater than 0. And you have to prove that S is an open set. We have to prove that S is an open set. Now, what is definition of open set? Open set means every point of that set A, there exists a radius R such that the open ball centered at A and radius R is a subset of that set S. We have to prove for every point of S, every point of A in S, there exists an open ball which contain in that set itself, or open ball is a subset of that set. Then the set S is a open set.